Hey everyone, I'm Brad Martin and I'm the Senior Product Manager for the 3DLP product portfolio. I'm so excited to introduce the Christie Griffin 4K32 RGB. This is the latest addition to the 3DLP product portfolio at Christie. At a high level, it's a 34,000 lumen all-in-one pure RGB projector. This is a market leader in several dimensions and I'm going to get into details about that. Some of the highlights are an all-in-one omnidirectional pure RGB projector, which means no external chillers or devices are needed to support this projector. It has their TrueLife Plus electronics. Now, this is the next generation of our world-leading video processing platform. It has a quiet operation at under 50 dB at full brightness. We're offering our new digital convergence via the remote control. Due to our advancements in pure RGB illumination technology, we offer Rec 2020, which is twice the color capabilities of Rec 709, as well as reusing our 4K lens lineup. I always like to start with some illumination technology. And so I'm not going to go into all the details, but projectors really started with lamps. They've transitioned to solid state, mainly laser phosphor, and Christie at the forefront of RGB laser technology. And why is this important? So I think we've all seen the CIE color chart. And so Rec 709 is the smallest gamut you can see. So that's the colors you can really reproduce with Rec 709. So these are mercury lamps and some laser phosphor technology. As illumination technology advanced, laser phosphor as well as xenon lamps, they're able to achieve DCI P3 color space, which is again greater than Rec 709. But really, when you hit Rec 2020 using pure RGB laser, you're offering our customers unrestricted freedom to the colors that they can really reproduce. So at a practical level, this is a simulated graph of Rec 709, DCI P3, and Rec 2020. So you can see the colors are not as rich or more dull at Rec 709. They get a little better at DCI P3, but when you hit Rec 2020, you're really offering that unrestricted freedom to see these reds, greens, and blues that you just can't see with the other illumination technology. So three key benefits here are reproducing real-world colors and achieve precise color matches. We're providing the freedom to create colors on screen previously not possible with Rec 709 and DCI P3. And a side effect of pure RGB illumination technology is the perceived brightness is much brighter compared to other illumination sources. Our next generation video processing, Christie's always been a market leader when it comes to video processing. So this is TrueLife Plus. It utilizes all the capabilities of TrueLife and more. And so our TrueLife platform was option card based. So we allow our customers to pick and choose different option cards based on their setups. But with TrueLife Plus, we're actually offering all connectivity in one single platform with all the processing capabilities. This platform is capable of doing 4K at 120 hertz and frame rates up to 480 hertz. Combining these two dimensions of this projector, it allows us to target a wide range of customer applications as seen below. And so we've led with the D4K40 RGB, so we're starting to build a family with our Griffin 4K32 RGB. And you can see that the weight is significantly lighter compared to our previous generation. And this is really due to Christie staying on advancements in laser illumination technology as well as other technologies in the projector. All projectors have some form of convergence in the 3DLP space, so we've often led with mechanical convergence process. But now we're offering a new digital convergence. So this experience allows our customers to save time by simply using the remote to correct for any half pixel, quarter pixel adjustments that would be needed if the convergence was to drift by simply just taking the remote and pulling in RGB, one of the colors. The Griffin 4K32 also supports a wide range of lenses. So reusing the Boxer, Mirage SST, and D4K40 RGB lenses from UST 0.38 to 1 all the way up to longer throw lenses. And they're broken into two sections, high brightness and ultra high contrast. The ultra high contrast lenses sacrifice some brightness, but they do allow our users or our customers to more than double the native contrast of the projector. And so that's more about our Christie Griffin product line. Now I'm going to move into our software called Christie Conductor. So launching at the same time as Christie Griffin, we're offering a free advanced monitoring software application for our 3DLP projectors. So alongside Christie Griffin, it'll support the other 3DLP product offerings at Christie. And what this is a software tool that allows our customers to visually see all the projectors that it's controlling. So we're able to control up to 256 projectors. And what I'm demonstrating here is a visual heat map. So you can see the colored icons in blue. So those are all the projectors we're simulating in this example. And the ones that are in green indicate that they're on and working okay. The ones that are in red mean that there's a simulated error. One in purple is the shutter's closed, for example. So any of these colors correspond to something that the projector is doing and allows our customers to quickly see what is going on with their setup. We're also offering the ability to stay organized, so you can sort and filter quickly. So if you have over 256 projectors, in any application, you can sort them by rooms, by left stage, right stage, or whatnot. So you can quickly see exactly what's going on with the projectors in that location. By double clicking on any of these projectors, it pops up a menu. You can drill down into the web UI for further advanced control and monitoring. Christie Conductor has several key features, but really this tool is designed for a time saver for our customers, and it gives them the advanced monitoring control capabilities all in a single location. Thanks a lot for your time. If you want to see more information on these products, visit christiedigital.com.
Hi everyone, my name is Joel St. Denis. I'm Senior Product Manager here at Christie, and today I'd like to talk to you about a brand new product that we've just announced called Christie Mystique Lite. So before we get into what Lite is, I think it's important to explain what Christie Mystique is. So Christie Mystique is essentially a camera-based alignment system that's used for blending multiple projectors together, and you can use it to warp and blend projectors. So you can see here the screen on the right side of the image. We have a couple projectors that are blended horizontally in the middle, and you can see the area in the center is not compensated. And in the image below, you can see that the images have been basically warped together to create one smooth image, and the blend area in the center is now compensated, so you have one consistent image. So essentially that's what Mystique does, using a camera system, and there's different complexities based on the additions that we have. And most of the Christie Mystique products can be used on our latest Christie 3DLP projectors, including the new Griffin projector that Brad is talking about, and also any of the HS series 1DLP projectors. So on that note, let's jump into Mystique Lite. So basically, Mystique Lite is a brand new product. It's a fifth tier, if you will, that we're adding to the Mystique product family. In terms of capabilities, one of the major differences is this is our first webcam-based projector. So there's a couple Logitech webcams that we recommend that you can purchase from a third party and use with Mystique. It can warp up to 3 projectors in a horizontal array, and it can be used on any flat screen or any flat surface. So in terms of software itself, it's downloadable via the Christie webpage. It is free, so this is nice. It's the first free product that we introduced. For those of you familiar with Christie Twist, this will be alongside Twist, where Twist allows you to manually warp and blend. Now with the availability of Christie Lite, you'll be able to pick yourself up a webcam and be able to do simple alignments for free, just using the software. As I mentioned, it supports our 3DLP projectors that are Twist enabled, as well as the HS series 1DLP projectors. It does use select third-party Logitech webcams. Information on that is on our website. And it's easy to use with a wizard-like interface. It can be upgraded later to other editions, such as Mystique Essentials or Mystique Pro Venue. So if you find that your needs of alignment exceed the capabilities of Mystique Lite. For example, if you want to go up to 5 projectors wide or start stacking projectors and have a 2x3 array or so on, these are things that you can essentially enable by purchasing the Essentials or Pro Venue edition. So this is an example of the interface here. You can see on the left side, very simple. This is just one-page interface. You'll automatically detect the cameras and the projectors as long as they're on the same network. Then all you need to do is essentially pull the 4 corners to the 4 corners of your screen, and then make sure that the pixel overlap matches whatever the content source is in your media server or potentially an NVIDIA Mosaic mode. And then you just run it, and it will align the content, the projectors, I should say, to be perfectly warped and blended on your screen. So the ideal applications for Mystique Lite are anything that's up to 3 projectors that's on a flat screen, as I said. So it's pretty ideal for small rental staging or small live events, corporate, educational houses of worship. So those are some of the key places where we see the product being used. Finally, for more information on Mystique and Mystique Lite, please feel free to visit the Christie website, and all the information, including brochures and documentation and the software, which will be available in early July, will be on the website. Thanks very much.